We made it outside.
Jesus, snow is cold.
We made it outside and it is coming down. As you can see, all behind me is snowing and it's huge chunks of snow. We should try and catch a snowflake in our tongue. What do you say? Ready? That snowflake was so big it felt like it was a snowball hitting me in the shoulder. Did you get one? I think you might have to look up like this. Oh, I got one right in the eye. Can you catch a snowflake?
4 snowflakes.
Did you? I missed it.
I got 2 when I was like this, and I got 2 when I was like this.
We're gonna play and Dad can shovel. Under the traffic light. And Evelina's gonna have to run and stop. Okay. I'm gonna need you to back up a little bit. Crossing. Red light. No, you gotta run, girl. Green light. How do you want to go against the fence?
Yeah, and I'm gonna yell red light. No, you yell out red.
Okay. I'm gonna be the traffic controller. Here we go. Whoa, she's way over there. I can't even see her. Beep, wee little thing. I crush you. Okay, green light. Red light. See, this is fun because the snow is really wet, so it's slippery. Green light. Red light. Whoa, green light. Red light. Green light. Yellow, red. Green. Red. Green. Red. Oh, good job.
When you said green, then you said red, and I went when you were red. Okay, now I want to be the red light, green light.
No way, you're gonna make me run?
Yeah.
Oh, so scary. Okay. Wish me luck.
Oh, the camera. You're with me, you'll be safe. And red light. And green light. Red light. Yellow light. I said yellow light.
Yeah, slow, right? Isn't yellow slow?
Oh, yeah. Yellow slow.
Should I run for you?
Oh. Red light. Green light. Red light. Yellow light. Red 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 light. Red.
Can't move away from
Red. 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 Yellow. Green. Now let's play hide and seek.
Okay.
And you can count and I'll hide.
Okay. I'm gonna count to 10.
Yeah.
All right.
Start counting.
Okay. All right. I have to close my eyes and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here I come. I don't see her. Do you? I thought I heard swishing, but I think it was the swish of my own snowsuit. Kind of hard to tell. Everything's all muffled when it's snowing and with all these layers, but oh man, I really thought she was behind there. Did you see where she went? Comment below if you know where she went. I don't know. Sometimes she would hide in there in the summer. Ice fire. I think I see her. I think she's with Dad. Near the cars. Here we go. Here I come. Ooh, I can follow some footsteps. Boy, this is hard. I can't even move quietly in the winter. Wait, she was just right here.
Snow, gosh, snow.
I know it. I know.
So much snow. Oh.
What? Would she go under a car? That was good. Jeez.
I was on the back and then I moved to the side because I heard you. And then I looked outside and you were not there. And I ran here and I went inside the car and I started coming and I went to the front of your house. And then I saw you coming. So I ran in the back of the car and then
Mama
it didn't
thought
work.
you went under the car. That's what Mama thought.
Then I went on this side of the car.
Yeah.
And then I saw you going that way, so I went this way, and I went the other way.
I couldn't find her.
That's how good you.
I went everywhere. Yeah, I couldn't find you, and so I said she must be under the car. Speaking of, we can draw little messages. You can see it well on the camera, though. Not really. Oh, Evelina's. Yeah, you can see her heart. Dad's cleaning off all too quick. We can't even get a message on here.
I like it. It'll be a lot easier to clean them off tomorrow morning when there's less on them.
Will do. Can you guys guess what I'm gonna spell? Here we go.
L-O-V-E, love.
No, you know this word.
Oh, Evelina.
Yeah, Evelina.
And I can also.
When Evelina was a baby, we used to sing this song to her.
So I could learn my name.
That's right. How'd the song go?
E-B-A-L-I-N-A, 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 and Evelina, that's your name. Oh.
That's right.
Mom, can you help me get up? Because I want to write something on here.
Oh, boy, I can try. I'm just going to push your bum, put your leg up.
Yeah, you.
You get a leg up.
I'm getting. Okay.
Yo. You can do it. Okay. Just stay right there. Write it just like that. There you go. Write it like that.
Okay.
Happy holidays.
And then, can you push me a little bit more? Okay. And then
Oh no! Oh no, Dad!
Daddy!
No!
Oh,
What'd
I
you
really
do?
didn't. Okay, sorry. I'll stop. Here, you have room up here. Look. You have room up here.
Mom, can I hold you? Hey! I know.
Oh, how is this for snowball?
Do you like it? Is it good? I want to try some.
Oh, that's pretty good. Yummy.
So why don't we go inside and get some hot chocolate marshmallows?
That's right.
Can you put the marshmallows in? And put like 10 marshmallows in mine.
Okay,
Put all the marshmallows in mine.
you got it.
Okay. Can you hold me before I fall off this and get snow covered on me?
Woo! It's freezing cold. Woo! My mouth is freezing.
Mine.
All right, here we go. We fastened this lovely jump rope
Wait,
onto the sled.
hold on. Don't hold it yet. I need to, hold on. Can I, where's this?
This is how we sled in our backyard and you don't have a big hill. Whoa, straight into the sandbox. We're gonna have to go this way. Get a fire pit!
So it's fun. It's so much fun. You made me lift up. That was fun.
Here, let me see it.
So she blows the other way.
Oh gosh, Dad. Now Dad.
There we go.
Really gonna hold me.
Alright, ready? It's gonna be thrusters, it's gonna be turbo.
Make sure he doesn't get his
See, you don't need a hill to do sledding. Whoa!
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
You washed ashore.
How are you doing? I am trying back in the sea. Where my ocean fish? Dad!
You look go!
Wait, I'm gonna try the other way.
Oh, backwards. Okay.
Yes.
Then you don't know what's coming.
Oh my god. I was doing
Just don't go on the pavement in case she flies off. Hey, do you think you can get her up and over the turtle? We'll make it into a mound.
It's a little dangerous.
Why? We'll put snow on either side. I think no, it's fine.
I'm scared.
You can pull me over the turtle. Oh dear. Oh gosh.
Mother Nature, thanks.
Fallen trees. Well, I'm glad you weren't over there when that happened. Oh man.
Easy. No, honey, don't pull it up.
Mom, can you fish me? Oh, yeah.
I want to try to get you up and over that turtle.
What?
Up and over the turtle. Let's pack the sides of it with snow. Make it into a real hill.
Wait, no. Can you go slow with the
Hold on, we gotta pack the sides with
No,
snow.
a little bit. No, I need, yeah. That's good. I can just...
Just keep your tongue in your mouth, okay, Helena? That's awesome.
Oh, this is going up.
I don't know about that.
It's towards gravity.
Yeah, there's no hill. I think you gotta go the other way.
No. I'm just have to pull harder.
No, Daddy. Really fast, makes me get scared.
Alright, I'll go slow.
Dad, and this thing is slippery.
I'll go slow, I promise. I'll go over this turtle mountain. Okay, I had to shift you over. And then kind of, good. Do not let
Oh
go.
boy.
Don't go really fast.
That was really funny.
Oh, I never tried skis before.
So,
Is this ski? Is this chair?
here we go. Here she goes, folks. Cross country skiing.
Can I hold your hand?
There you go. Whoa. Yep, you can't get them crossed. That's the hard part, is keeping those legs straight. Oh, Dad came back up. Hey, babe, look, we have a skier.
Yeah. Mom, these are too long for me.
No, skis are very long. Very tricky skiing. Keep those legs straight. You're crossing them in the back. Yep, you gotta use.
This is wobbling up.
You know what happened to me? The one time I went skiing, because it requires so many muscles in your legs, I could not walk the next day. My muscles were so sore. It's a lot of work to ski. Keep those legs. You're doing it. Yep. Woo! Good job. You made it across the yard.
It's locked. Ah! Now it just got on the side of my face.
I know. It's pretty cold and wet out here.